up, it's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. For today's look, we have this demon right here with the SFX mouth. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So for the mouth, I'm going to be using this liquid latex that you can get at the Halloween store or at Walmart. And then I'm applying that with a triangle sponge all over my mouth area where I want the mouth to be. I'm going for a big, nice mouth. And then I'm taking some tissue and I am laying that down on top of the liquid latex. And then I'm going to be going over that tissue with another layer of liquid latex. And then I'm going to be taking some cotton. I'm just using cotton balls and I'm just spreading them apart. And I'm putting that on top of the wet liquid latex, and then I'm gonna be going over the cotton as well. And then I'm taking little tiny scissors and I'm being very careful while doing this so I don't poke myself, and I'm cutting little lines in the latex so it looks like there's holes in the mouth. Once again, you want to be very careful if you do this look so you don't hurt yourself. Once the mouth is all cut up, I take some black paint and I go in the inside of the mouth so my real mouth is hidden. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just taking this LA Girl white foundation and putting that all over my face. And I put that on the edges of the mouth as well. And then I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in black and I'm putting that all over my eyelid and under eye. And then I'm blending that out a little bit with some black eyeshadow. And then I'm taking some red eyeshadow and putting that down around the eye area. And then for the nose, I'm taking a dark brown and I am contouring my nose to look very pointy and scary, and doing some inner wrinkles in that inner area by the eyebrows and on the forehead. And then I also do some smile lines above the mouth as well, and on the temple of the forehead and a little bit on my cheekbones. And then I'm taking a tannish eyeshadow and adding color in random places around the face. For the mouth, I'm taking some purple reddish grease paint and putting that around the edges and a little bit on top of the mouth. For my chest, I am covering it again with that same white foundation and I'm contouring my collarbone just a little bit and blending it out with my fingers. Then I'm taking some blood gel. The one I am using is from Graftobian, and I'm putting that all over the mouth area, kind of doing paint strokes that you can see, like the strokes coming out of the mouth. And then I add a little bit of blood to the chest as well with a stippling sponge. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new Halloween tutorials. And if you do decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it and I can like it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.